Girls, akala ko dati si Kaja tsaka si Melt lang yung may makeup stack. Meron din pala si Miniso. Ito yung Color Me All-in-One makeup stack. Meron siyang concealer, blush, contour, highlighter, and powder. Foundation lang tayo and let's try these on. Easy foundation yung ginamit ko, pero lahat ng mga makeup na meron dito sa makeup stack na to, sila din yung gagamitin natin all over my face. Okay. Kala ko may nasira ako. Ang ganda. Hindi namang indication sa labas. So, let's see. Let's give this a try. Starting with their concealer. It's doing its job as a concealer. Kahit cream siya, do not expect na malalang coverage. That we have the blush. Ooh, not bad. May yung tipo ng blush, pag naparami ka, i-diffuse at madi-diffuse mo pa rin siya. Medyo worried ako kay contour kasi pwede na siyang mag-pass as a foundation. Super light niya for me. Para lang ako naglagay ng another layer of foundation. Let's proceed with a highlighter. This is still a cream highlighter. Ayan siya. Yung tipo ng mga highlighter that will stick with you all throughout the day. Kahit na cream highlighter siya, hindi niya sinira yung cream blush ko underneath. Meron tayo ditong powder. Lang, medyo nag-crease yung highlighter na nilagay ko dito. Parang bago yun, di ba? Nag-crease na highlighter. This makeup stock is very sulit. 350 pesos, you'll get more than what you pay for. Space saving na din siya and hindi siya makalat sa makeup kit mo.